Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung tablet model and Android version so you know which gestures and menus apply. Open the two apps you want to use in split screen. Make sure each supports multi-window. Once both apps are launched, close unnecessary background apps to free memory and restart the tablet if an app is frozen. Now, return to the Recent Apps overview to begin the split screen placement. This ensures the system has active app processes to pin into split mode. In Recent Apps view, tap the app icon and choose Split Screen or Open in Split Screen view. This pins the first app to the top or left. Once done, select your second app from Recent or the home screen to fill the other pane. Make sure to drag the center divider to resize each app as needed, because many apps adapt their layout. If an app refuses split, try launching it from home or using the app drawer instead, and then repeat the split screen command. To finish, use the divider to swap app positions, resize content, or drag the divider fully to close one app and return to single view. If split screen options aren't visible, make sure multi-window is enabled under Settings Advanced Features. Older models may label it differently. If problems persist, update the apps and system software, clear the app cache for misbehaving apps, or reboot the tablet. These steps refresh permissions and memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.